If you're looking for a simple and affordable fitness tracker, chances are you're looking at a Fitbit. But you might want to check this out first. This is Samsung's new Galaxy Fit, and it sort of checks off all the boxes for what you'd want in a basic fitness tracker. It's also $99. Let's check it out. So, on first glance, it looks like a fitness tracker. Ding, ding, ding. Well, there really isn't much else to say about that because fitness trackers all tend to kind of look alike, but I do like this. It's pretty compact, it has a slim profile, it doesn't really stand out too much. There is a different colored version in terms of the color. You can get a silver color variant, and also you can change the bands. I like the bands, they are pretty comfortable. It's a silicone one right here. Silicone, whatever. And it also has a yellow one, a silver one, and the black one. Probably will have other variants later down the road. But you can also wear this on your right hand if that's what you so desire. And I like, the fact that it really doesn't take much space because I like wearing it with my watch so that I can sort of have a double look going on. Kind of a nice thing if that's sort of your thing. One of my favorite features of the Galaxy Fit so far is the screen. It's a 0.95-inch AMOLED display. That just means it's colorful, and it just makes it very visually interesting to look at. With the Inspire HR, well, I don't really feel inspired. And when you go outside with the Galaxy Fit, content is clear, sharp, and bright. And I guess the only issue I have with the screen is when you go to notifications. We'll talk a little more about the interface soon, but with the notifications, everything can be a little cramped. That's because text can feel very chopped up because of that narrow screen, and so you'd have to do a lot of scrolling just to get through about a sentence or so. In the same vein of notifications, anything you get on the phone, you'll get on the watch. There's a delete button, so when you press it, all the notifications on your phone will disappear. And the only thing is it's limited in reply functionality. Unlike a smartwatch, there's no keyboard here, so you get preset responses that you can customize on your phone, and that functionality might be limited if you're on an iPhone. But enough about notifications, this is the Galaxy Fit. It can automatically detect workouts, so if you're running or cycling, things like that, basically the watch will take care of the rest, you don't need to do anything. And if you have a particular go-to activity like running, you can just press and hold the button here and it'll start the activity in 3 seconds. It's a pretty nice feature. The watch can track up to 90 workouts, but you'll have to start those workouts on the Samsung Health app. 2 particular features I like. 1, who doesn't like it when your watch tells you you're being lazy? Well, this does that, maybe a little more polite though. After about an hour of being inactive, you'll get a notification saying you're being inactive, and hopefully that'll give you the push you need to go for a walk. My second favorite feature is if you did go ahead and take that walk, well, around the 10-minute mark, you'll get a notification on the watch starting to track that data, and hopefully that gives you the encouragement you need to continue walking and potentially hit that step count goal. The Galaxy Fit can also track your sleep. Last night, it says I got 5 hours and 56 minutes of sleep. I should probably get a little more than that. But if you use the Samsung Health app, basically you can dive into the data, see how much of that is REM, deep sleep, how much of it you were awake for, and so far it seems pretty accurate. We'll have to use it a little more to see exactly how accurate it is. It's 5 ATM water resistant, which is great for swimmers because that means you can take it to the pool, and there is swim tracking available on the watch as well. I guess the only thing missing here really is onboard GPS. The Inspire HR from Fitbit doesn't also have onboard GPS in its watch, so really that means you'll need to have your phone on you if you want to map your run. If you're thinking about listening to music on your workout, well, there's not really a lot of storage on this watch, so you'll have to bring your phone around. Samsung claims the Galaxy Fit will last around a week. It's a 120 milliamp powered battery, and so far, I only got it yesterday. Out of the box, it started at 75%, and right now it is at 41%. So pretty big drop, but I have been using it a lot more than I probably would usually. I think with daily activity testing and workouts, you're basically gonna probably get 2 to 3 days at most, maybe even longer if you're not using it for workouts as much. This is the cradle that it comes with. It's an NFC wireless charger, which is what Samsung calls it. All you need to do is plop the Galaxy Fit on it, and it'll charge it once you plug it into the relevant wall adapter. And it seems to securely stay in place, doesn't really flop around up. Well, I take that back. The Galaxy Fit supports any Android phone running version 5.0 or higher, as well as any iPhone 7 or later device. But of course, it'll work best with a Samsung phone if you're using Samsung apps in particular. You'll get a little more customizability and controls when you're looking at notifications, for example. The Galaxy Fit also shares a similar price tag as the Fitbit Inspire HR. They also share very similar features, And while I haven't really spent that much time with it, I kind of like the fit a little more already. The nicer screen is a huge plus for me, as well as the battery life, and of course, the interface is slightly more intuitive. We'll be putting it through its paces over the next few days and weeks, so hopefully we can tell you if it really is the better buy. The Galaxy Fit is $99, and it's available today from Samsung.com and other retailers. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you have any more comments or questions on the Galaxy Fit, leave a comment and I will try to get back to you. Otherwise, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want alerts, and head to digitaltrends.com for more technology reviews.